Okay, so this time our objective is to recall multiplication and division of fractions and to multiply and divide irrational algebraic expressions. First, how do we multiply fractions? Okay, so we just simply multiply the numerators and denominators. Okay, like for example, we have A over B multiplied to C over D. Okay, so numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator lang po yung minumultiply natin. Okay, so the answer here is AC over BD, where of course our denominator BD should not be equal to 0. Okay, example, we have 2/3 times 3/4. Okay, so multiply lang natin yung mga numerators and then yung mga denominators. So 2 times 3, that's 6, and 3 times 4, that's 12. Okay, and then we're going to simplify if it's possible. So the lowest term of 6 over 12 is 1/2. Okay, next, we have 4/5 times 2/4. So same process. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 4 is 20. And then we simplify. So 8 over 20 is 2/5. Okay, now, how to multiply a rational expression? Okay, so parang ganun pa rin naman po. Okay, pinakaiba lang. Okay, expression yung given natin. So, P over Q times R over S. Okay, so that's PR over QS, where our variables are all polynomials and the denominator is still not equal to 0. For example, we have A raised to 5 over 10 multiplied to 5 over A cubed. Okay, so same process pa rin. Multiply lang natin. So since our numerator here is a number and a variable, so we just simply combine them. Okay, so their product is 5A raised to 5 over 10A cubed. Okay, now, of course, we have to simplify our answer. Okay, so the lowest term of 5 over 10, that is 1/2. Okay? And then, A raised to 5 and A cubed. Okay, when we simplify, okay, ma-minus lang natin. So, that is A squared. Okay. So, we're going to put it in the numerator kasi yun yung mas mataas yung value. Okay? So, since may variable na tayo, no need na yung 1. Okay? So, our final answer here is A squared over 2. Okay, next, we have 30b squared over 6c multiplied to 4c squared over 15b raised to 4. Okay, so ganun pa rin, multiply lang natin yung numerators and yung denominators. So 30 times 4, that is 120. And then, since they have different variable, we just have to copy, but we have to list down into right order. Okay, ayan. Next, denominator, 6 times 15, that is 90. Okay, and then, okay, copy lang din natin yung variable since magkaiba sila. Again, yung arrangement ng variables. So, B raised to 4 muna, then C. Okay, now, okay, so we have 120b squared C squared over 90b raised to 4C. So, what we're going to do here is to simplify. Okay, so simplify natin. When we simplify 120 over 90, that will become 4 over 3. Then, b squared and d raised to 4. B squared na lang siya. Okay? Ilalagay natin sa baba. Then, c squared and c, ilalagay na lang natin sa taas yung c. And this is the final answer. Now, how do we divide fractions? Okay? So, we get the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so mamaya alamin natin yung mga parts, no, ng ating fraction. Okay, pagdating sa division. Then, we proceed to multiplication. So, hindi pala talaga tayo magdi-divide dito. Okay, so ang ending natin dito is mag-multiply pa rin. Okay, like for example, we have A over B divided to C over D. Okay, so, okay, so, alamin natin asan ang divisor at anong isang part. Okay, so, ang sinasabi nating divisor dito is ito pong pangalawa. Okay, so this is the divisor. Okay? So, naman tawag dito sa unahan? Okay, yung unang given naman, that's the dividend. Ayan po. Okay? So, we get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, babaligtarin lang daw natin or flip lang natin si C over D. So, that will become D over C. Okay. Right after daw po natin makuha yung reciprocal ng divisor natin, mag-proceed tayo sa multiplication. Therefore, we're going to change the division sign into multiplication. Okay? So, ang itsura niya na ngayon ay A over B times D over C. Then, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. So, the answer here is AD over BC. Okay? So, hindi kayo sanay sa process na to at mas sanay kayo sa tinatawag natin na KCF or yung keep change flip. Okay lang din naman. Pareho lang yan. Okay? So, sinasabi dito, ikikip yung dividend or yung first given, change the division sign into multiplication, then flip the divisor. Ayan. I-reciprocal lang po. Okay, and that's it. You may now proceed in multiplication. Where B and C should not be equal to 0 pa rin. Ayan. Lagi naman, basta expression or basta fraction. Okay? So, example, we have 2/3 divided to 4 over 5. Okay? So, sundin lang natin yung process. Keep, change, flip lang. So, keep 2/3, change division to multiplication, then flip 4 over 5. So, that will now become 5 over 4. Then, we may now proceed in multiplying. So, 2 times 5, that's 10. 3 times 4, that's 12. Okay? So, that's 10 over 12 na. And then, let's see kung may masisimplify pa siya. So, its lowest term is 5 over 6. Now, when it comes to division of rational expression, ay ganun pa rin naman po. Okay? And kung paano natin ginawa yung process kanina, ayan, keep, change, flip pa rin po yun. Okay? Pinakaiba lang, polynomials lang yung ginagamit nating example dito. Okay, so steps nito, ganun din, multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Then proceed to the steps of multiplication of rational expression. Okay, example. Okay, we have a raised to 5 over 10 divided to a cube over 5. So, if we follow the keep, change, flip, okay, so ikikip natin si a raised to 5 over 10, change division to multiplication, then flip a cube over 5. So, that will become 5 over a cube. Okay, tapos magsasagot na tayo in multiplication. So, our numerator is 5a raised to 5 and our denominator is 10a cube. Okay, familiar sa given kanina, di ba? Okay, and then we simplify. 5 over 10, that's 1/2. A raised to 5 and a cube, when you simplify, that will now become a squared. Okay? So, wala na yung 1. Cancel na yan. So, our final answer here is a squared over 2.